They told you it takes 21 days to build a habit. They told you it takes 90 days to change your life. They lied. You don't need more time. You need more truth. You don't need 7 days or even 2. You need 1 day. 1 decision. 1 moment where you stop the bullshit, look at yourself in the mirror, and finally do what needs to be done. Most people are looking for motivation. I'm giving you a system for war. This is a 24-hour reset for your mind, your energy, and your direction. Let's fix you, starting right now. Step 1. Radical self-confinement. Pick 1 day, this week, this weekend. It doesn't matter when, but it has to be total. Turn off your phone. Unplug the router. No social media, no scrolling, no quick checks. Just you and your mind. Why? Because you aren't broken. You're overstimulated. Your brain is drowning in noise, and the fastest way to find clarity is to go silent. If you can't spend 24 hours alone with your own thoughts, you aren't avoiding boredom. You're avoiding the truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. This is the part nobody wants to do. Stand in front of a mirror. No music. No daily affirmations. Just 5 minutes of absolute stillness, looking into your own eyes. And ask yourself one question. Who am I pretending to be? Ask it for real. Don't look away. You'll feel a sting in your chest. That's your real self waking up. You've been performing for the world, wearing a mask to be accepted. This is the day the mask dies. This is the day you get honest. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things. 1. The habits that are murdering your potential. 2. The people or places that drain your power. 3. The lies you tell yourself just to feel comfortable. Now, take that page, tear it, burn it, shred it. Writing is awareness, but destroying it is a message to your subconscious. You're telling your brain, that version of me is dead. I am not going back. Step 4. The warrior hour. Now we go physical, mental, and spiritual. Set a 60-minute timer. 20 minutes, physical. Move. Run, do push-ups, take a cold shower. Push your body until it screams. 20 minutes, mental. Mind dump. Grab your pen and let the chaos out. No filter, no structure. Just pour the ink until the noise stops. 20 minutes, spiritual. Silence, no phone, no music, just exist. When that hour is up, you'll feel it. Control, power, presence. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of that mirror one last time. But don't ask questions. Just say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, not for winning, just for being present. Most people never give themselves a single day of full intensity. They hide, they run, they lie. But you faced yourself. You aren't buried under problems. You're buried under comfort and fear. One honest day can change the trajectory of your entire life, not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this hit you, don't just scroll to the next video. That's the old you talking. Act. Fix yourself today. If you're ready to level up every single day, drop a comment.